Hey guys! Today I'm gonna talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Google Translate. Actually, we cannot say Google Translate is good or bad. It just depends on how we use it. Firstly, let's discuss about the pros of Google Translate. Google Translate is faster and easier to use compared to other kinds of translating websites or apps that you can reach for free. Now, let's see this example to clarify what I said. We're gonna compare the translation speed of two devices. One of those is Google Translate and another is I Love Translation tool. Now, we enter a text into I Love Translation tool and now waiting for it to translate. You can see it is processing. Now it's finished. Like that way, we enter the same text into Google Translate. And you can see that the text is translated instantly in Google Translate. Therefore, Google Translate have much faster translation speed than other tools. Moreover, Google Translate also provides the pronunciation of every language, so it can help the learners to imitate a native accent in a convenient and quick way. Here, I would like to make an example to clarify this. If you were an Englishman and had a wish to learn Vietnamese, then enter a text and listen to its pronunciation, like this.
Tiến sĩ Douglas Gentile, nghiên cứu truyền thông xã hội tại Đại học Iowa, Hoa Kỳ, nhận định dành nhiều thời gian trên mạng khiến bạn ghen tị, lo lắng khi nhìn vào cuộc sống người khác.
If you were Vietnamese and had a wish to learn English, then the same method is applied.
Dr. Douglas Gentile, a researcher in social media at the University of Iowa, said, "Spending a lot of time online makes you jealous, anxious to look at other people's lives."
And now, let's continue with the cons of Google Translate.
Drop it.
The first disadvantage of Google Translate is inaccurate translation. Google Translate cannot provide a perfectly accurate translation because machine cannot understand the context of the content as well as the nuance of the words, which sometimes results in mistranslation. The accuracy and perfection of Google Translate are still in the development process with the help of machine learning and human volunteers. Take a look at the example. This task will be translated from English to Vietnamese. In this translation, feature is translated into Tính năng in Vietnamese version. There are more suitable versions for this word. For example, điểm đặc trưng or đặc điểm. One more disadvantage is that Google Translate often produces translation that contain grammatical errors. This is due to the fact that Google Translation System uses a method based on language pair frequency that doesn't take into account grammatical rules. For example, we look at these two sentences in Vietnamese. The tense of these sentences is the past, but we will see the present tense in this translation. The word is must be was, and try must be tried. Also, Google Translate doesn't have a system to correct for translation errors. There is no way of reporting errors in order to avoid having them repeated. So, it takes much time to find out the errors and correct them.